Hello! I've noticed a lot of you have asked for some DIY bookmarks, so in this video I'll show you some easy bookmarks that you can make that can mark a specific place on your page or be something fun peeking out of your book. To make these, I used paint chips, which I think make great bookmarks, and I just rotated it to put the name of the paint on the bottom. For this pink one, I wanted to try an arrow, so I sketched it in the center of this paint chip, then trimmed it out with an X-Acto blade and leaving the top portion connected to the paper. Erase the pencil marks and it's ready to point to the place that you want to mark in your book. This next version, I tried a more simplified arrow and it's really basic. It's just these two lines and then I cut it out. This one was super easy to make and you can just pop it on your page and it points to the place you want to mark it. And I like that these leave a colorful tab on the outside of your book. This next one is a similar idea to that simple arrow, but it's going to be a frog's mouth. Or I guess this could be a lizard maybe, some type of amphibian. You can make any animal you want. I just made these two eyes that will pop out of the book and I cut around those. I drew two eyes with a permanent marker and made some little nostrils, and it works the same way as the last bookmarks, just pop it onto your page. Following the same idea, I wanted to try out a couple of different animals. For this one, I was going for a fox, maybe a cat, something with pointy ears. Cut out the shape of the mouth and then drew in the eyes and nose with a permanent marker. For this one, I tried a bear type of animal and drew a little longer of a mouth, cut that out along with the ears, and then drew in the features. You can really draw and decorate any way you want, and I hope this gives you some ideas. If you try this project out or you make your own version of these cute bookmarks, I would love to see pictures, so be sure to add #heysealemon and follow me on my social links. And you can also find these links in the video description below. For more DIY, be sure to subscribe and check out my channel, Sea Lemon. If you want to add a pocket to your book, check out this tutorial on the left. And for another fun addition to your paper, try a heart paperclip on the right. Let me know which bookmark was your favorite in the comments below, and hit that like button if you liked this video. I'll see you guys next time.